In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality with AI blurry photos using Canva AI. If you've got a photo that looks soft or pixelated, Canva's built. An AI can breathe new life into it in just a few clicks. Here is how to get from blurry to crisp without leaving your design. Start by opening a design and selecting the image you want to fix. With the image active, look to the left-hand side panel and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps its AI tools. Having your image selected helps you see results in context and keeps everything organized in the same design. In the Apps search bar, type Image Upscaler or Enhancer. You are looking for the AI tool designed to increase resolution and clarity. Upscaling uses machine learning to add detail intelligently. So you get more than a simple zoom, edges become cleaner and textures look more natural. Open the tool that matches those keywords. Now apply the enhancement. Upload the photo inside the tool, choose your upscale amount 2 times, 4 times, or 8 times and click Upscale Image. As a rule of thumb, 2 times is great for mild blur or web use. 4 times works well when you need extra detail, and 8 times can help rescue very small or older images. Keep in mind, higher scales take longer to process and create larger files. And pushing too far can exaggerate noise, so pick the smallest setting that gives you the clarity you need. If you prefer more manual control or want to fine-tune texture, use the Edit Photo option. Head to the Adjust tab and slowly increase sharpness. A gentle nudge often looks more natural than a big jump. Watch for halos around edges. If you see them, dial it back slightly until details look crisp but not harsh. This is especially helpful when the AI has already improved resolution and you just want to refine the final look. Once the AI finishes processing, click Add to Design to place the improved image right onto your canvas. When you are satisfied with the result, download your image as PNG or JPG. PNG is ideal when you want cleaner edges or plan to keep quality high. JPG is useful for a smaller file size and quick sharing. Either way, you'll have a clearer, more polished version of your original photo ready to use. That's it. Thanks for watching.